Today I'm back with another new video, and today I am doing another Birchbox May edition. I'm so excited. I received this box like early this month, but I wasn't able to film an unboxing video of it. The Birchbox May edition is giving me so much. Like, look at that, summer vibes. Although I live in Ireland, the weather is confused. In one day there's rain, hailstones, sun, all of that. I am loving the May edition of the Birchbox. I just love the green, and it has a kind of like a pink tone here which matches my top. Cute. Okay, so let's open it. The first thing I do when I open my box is smell the box. What? This box does not smell as good as my two previous boxes. It just smells like cardboard. That's new. Let's do something different today, and let's look at the note that they have inside first. The theme for this month is palm leaves and warm breeze. Cute. It has all the prices, the description of the full sizes of each product. Next month they will be having Ellen Eden eyeshadows. Cute. We have some competition running down here. So let's open the box again. So I'm just gonna go ahead with whatever I pick up first. The first thing I see here is micro exfoliating purifying gel, daily use, and it eliminates excess sebum, smooths, and irregularity. And this is by the Nux, is that the right way of pronouncing it? Nux Paris and Aquabella. Cutie. Just see. Okay, the bubble just came out. This smells really good. It cleanses your pores. Cool. I like this. Finally, I have another skincare for my travel bag. Then they have another skincare product. This is from the Green Frog Botanic Natural Body Wash. Relaxing geranium and peppermint. Oh, it is a Ayurvedic skincare. I don't even know what that means, but it says here Ayurvedic skincare with revitalizing organic aloe vera. Cool. If it's organic, then it must be good, right? Let me smell this one. Oh, what? I can smell peppermint, definitely, but I don't know. It smells really nice, but it smells really herby, like herbs. Probably because it has geranium in it and organic aloe vera. Nice. Cannot wait to try that. Another skincare product here is the Native Unearthed. What? Activated Charcoal Natural Deodorant Balm. Ooh, activated charcoal. Oh. This looks like it has been opened. Look at that. What's the story, Birchbox? Tell me. It is paraben and aluminium free. You only use a pea-size amount between your fingers and then apply it. I can see that it says in the ingredients that it has a baking soda, and I've heard that baking soda is really good for your armpits because it kills bacteria, and if you have discoloration on your armpits, I heard that it kind of lightens it, and because I'm Asian, I am one of those people that has that problem. Like, you can see my elbow here, it's a little bit discolored. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm definitely gonna try it. I'm afraid to try it, but I think I will try it. Oh my gosh, it's very hard. It has a balm scent in it. It's smooth. It feels like a toothpaste, but a little bit grainy. It dries into a matte consistency, which sounds really good. And the scent kind of disappears as soon as you rub it onto your skin. We are now down to our two products. We have an eyeliner here, and it is from Ayeko Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black, and this is a precise smudge proof pitch black but not waterproof. I'm gonna try it right now. So I'm gonna try and do my eyeliner with it. Oh, that's very black. Nice. Oh, this is actually a good eyeliner. We will see how good it is. See if it's smudge proof. Oh, it is smudge proof. Well, kind of. I see like black color on my finger right now, but that's good enough. I mean, look at that. So far I'm very happy with the things I'm getting. So the last one that I got here is the Lucius lip stain. Lucius lip stain. In the shade of Steaming Red. So you get to choose whether you want an amber rose or a steaming red. So I picked the steaming red because I feel like it is on the darker tone. And amber rose is a little bit like... Ooh, look at the color. It claims that it is non-transfer and it lasts for hours and comfortable to wear all day. It smells really sweet. It almost smells like powdery perfume with a hint of chocolate mixed with it. I have lipstick already on, but I'll... Oh my god, that smells so good. Cute. Oh, it dries really quick. I like the color. So that's all I got in this May Birchbox. I love everything. Can't wait to receive my next box. So that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you still haven't subscribed, and make sure to press that bell button so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video if you want. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.